The big story, of course, will come in from the Parliament. It's more of a protocol, but it will in many ways also be the start of an important session at the new Parliament. President Draupadi Murmu is set to address the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The President Murmu is expected to unveil priorities of the newly elected government, Modi 3.0. The address will also be the first since the constitution of 18th Lok Sabha. Following the President's address, ruling party will move a motion of thanks in both houses of the Parliament, and that gets debated by the members. This has been a procedure and that will continue. Perhaps a showdown will be expected during that. Prime Minister Modi is likely to reply to the debate on the motion of thanks on 2nd or 3rd of July. So the next few days, there is going to be, of course, the priorities of the government, possibly now with more opposition numbers. There is going to be a response to that as well. A big parliament storm, however, is still raging over the emergency era. Soon after elected as the Speaker, Om Birla asked members of the Parliament to observe 2-minute silence for those who suffered during the emergency, specifically those who were jailed and arrested. Now, the Prime Minister also added that the happenings during those days of emergency, which is 1975 and thereon, exemplified what dictatorship in fact looks like. The Congress added, Modi government has also initiated an undeclared emergency in the present era. So here's what's been happening, what our netas have said, and how emergency continues to be the highlight even today.
Shri Om Birla is declared elected as the Speaker of this House.
Om Birla is back in the Speaker's chair in the Lok Sabha, becoming only the second presiding officer to return after having served a full term after Congress's Balram Jakhar. The NDA candidate won against opposition's K. Suresh after a voice note.
Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it.
In a rare moment of bonhomie, the Prime Minister and newly appointed LOP then escorted Om Birla to the Speaker's chair.
आपके चेयर है, आप संभालें. Please.
आपकी अध्यक्षता में संसद में जो ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुए हैं, आपकी अध्यक्षता में सदन के माध्यम से जो सुधार हुए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक सदन की भी और आपकी भी विरासत है.
The opposition, however, had some terse words for Om Birla.
Speaker sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House.
आपका अंकुश विपक्ष पे तो रहता ही है, लेकिन आपका अंकुश सत्ता पक्ष पे भी रहे.
150 लोग जब सस्पेंड हुए तो हम सबको बहुत दुख हुआ सर. तो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि अगले 5 सालों में इस सस्पेंशन का आप ना सोचे, बातचीत हो सकती है, हमेशा हम डायलॉग के लिए तैयार रहते हैं.
But a storm erupted in Parliament soon after when the Speaker invoked the emergency.
भारत की पहचान पूरी दुनिया में लोकतंत्र की जननी के तौर पर है. भारत में हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों और वाद संवाद का समर्थन हुआ, हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों की सुरक्षा की, उन्हें हमेशा प्रोत्साहित किया गया. ऐसे भारत पर श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी द्वारा तानाशाही थोप दी गई, भारत के लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को कुचला गया और अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी का गला घोटा गया.
Inside Lok Sabha, the opposition raised slogans in protest. Outside, the BJP staged a big protest.
ये बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक दिन था जब काली इमरजेंसी के 50 साल पूरे हुए, तो आज 18वीं संसद में माननीय स्पीकर साहब ने इस प्रस्ताव के माध्यम से वो सच्चाई रखी। सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंदिरा गांधी की कुर्सी बचाने के लिए ये इमरजेंसी लगाई गई थी।
ये तमाम बीजेपी के लोगों ने जो आज किया है वो दिखावा किया है। ऐसा नहीं कि केवल उस समय वही जेल गए हों। समाजवादी नेता और समाजवादी उस समय के जितने जनता पार्टी या तमाम नेताओं ने भी उस समय को देखा, लेकिन हम पीछे मुड़ के कितना देखें, हम पास्ट को कितना देखें, भविष्य हमारे सामने क्या है।
आपको
After Om Birla's statement in the House, Prime Minister Modi to put out a message thanking him for speaking on the emergency. He also attacked the Gandhis and the Congress, saying that the emergency era exemplified dictatorship. The Parliament showdown is only set to escalate. With Piyush Mishra, Mausami Singh and Ashutosh, Bureau Report, India Today.